Hey guys, come check out this new product that I got today from MOMONI. It is an adult sex toy. It has a deep wriggle, prolonged pleasure tongue, licking vibrators with 10 vibrating, 10 wiggling, licking, and 10 more vibrations. Wiggle and lick to bliss. Powerful motor, unstoppable motion. 7 wiggling frequencies. 3 speeds, slow, medium, and fast. It's a high clitoral pressure. It's 10 very powerful vibrations. It is flexible. It has pinpoint teasing sensations. Dual pleasure, G-spot depth meets entrance teasing. Very soft material. Why are we better? It licks, tease, and pinpoints all in one design. Innovative wiggling meets multi-mode vibration. Unique lifelike tongue and soft touch. Stay strong even when things get tight. It has a USB magnet charging. And it's very easy to use. Soft and body safe silicone. Safe enough to lick, soft enough to love. Explore your play style. Clitoral vibrator, nipple stimulator, teasing tongue, G-spot vibrator, anal massager. So if you're looking to spice up your life, this is definitely a product I would recommend. Thanks for watching.